traders, this is the Dow on the daily chart on the right and the weekly on the left. You can see we've spent a period up there between 13,660 and 13,400. Now we're broken down, closed below the 8, and we're trapped between 13,420 and 13,250. I think that's where we're going to be for the next week at least. We're into the report season, so a couple of days of selling, a couple of days of sideways action. However, on the weekly, sorry, the daily, there's a huge trend line here. We've just closed below and kissed. Now, ordinarily, I would suggest that that would just fall out and roll down and come and touch the 200. But this is huge support here. 1, 2, 3 touches here held, and we broke up. This is the first major test of this resistance, support. Sorry. So I think this might hold for at least a while, if not possibly we'll see a bounce back up. But I think we'll spend at least a day, if not two, trapped in this range, and then we'll possibly get some kind of decision. But you know, it's not looking good. We are trapped in this range, and it's not clear. ATMA is coming across as a double top. Arguably, we could just break that low, and then just over a period of I don't know, a few days, a week or so, come down to this support level. But I would wait until we get close below 13,290, and if we do, I would short a pullback to that level and then sit there until we touch the 200 EMA. But I'd want confirmation that I was going to close. Otherwise, I think we'll move sideways and may even start to pop back up with the election coming up, etc., etc. Okay, Euro did okay. Yeah, we held on the weekly chart on the left here. We've held the 50 EMA, and it's even a hammer-like bar with the 80 EMA creeping up. So a couple of days higher closes. We're trapped with the trend line coming across the top, and the 50 and the 200 coming on the bottom. So I think we could end up just being, you know, sort of chopped around here for a bit, and then at some stage we'll get a decision about either that or that. So we're trapped between 128 and 123. We're trapped in a 200-point range at the moment. And if we see any significant setups, like a hammer down here on the support, or a close above that 130, then I will trade that accordingly. In the meantime, I'm not touching it. The one chart, well, there's several charts I like. I'll just give away on the free video the one I do like the most. I've got several extremely good. This is one of the good ones. This is a pound yen. We have got a trend line coming down here at 128, but if I closed above the 80 EMA on the daily chart here, so pull back to 125.90. If you're swing trading it, you've got to come right the way down there to 124.65. The weekly is holding really well with the compression underneath. Trend line is coming down. I think we're going to break that trend line at some stage. I think this lower close on the weekly was a bit of a stop run, and we're getting ready to push up. But of course, we need to continue to hold the 8 and get through this 126.90. Alright, so that's all I've got for you at the moment. There is a lot of action going on. If you want a more detailed analysis of the Dow, then you'll need to have a trial of the premium video. I do hope that helps. Happy trading and enjoy the rest of your weekend.